Kings. Yeah, we're trying to live a cash life. Cash life, the 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 cash life.
Yo, used to struggle for a dollar. Hot chicks never used to wanna holla. Now we on the grind just to raise the standard. Oh, my nigga, we on that number so hard that we headed to it. A cash life, a cash life, and the grind don't stop now. A cash life, cash life. Respect the hustle first, Kings, we on the top now.
The right paper is the reason why I'm hustling. 10 back, the humor on the first page. I remember when I stayed, I was struggling. Tryna get $1, nigga, never wanna help. Now I'm here, I'm getting all the people now. You wanna come to my side, see how we living. I got the paper, I never gonna worry about a thing. So we got it, we're drinking all the bottles. Me, my nigga, tryna get it, living all the cash life. You know how we get it, nigga, I'm investing. Never worry about a thing, cause I got it now. I'm a shotter on the window, mama made it now. To the top, cause we got it now. Face Kings, we did it on the first page. Me and Trent, we do it so bigger now. Kish on my side, doing on the chorus though. We never gon' stop though. Do it bigger, we back in Namibia. Do it for my country, I'ma sing for my town though. For my people that listen to this thing I say. I'm in the studio, I'm tryna make it bigger now. Money is the topic now. Everywhere you go, everybody talking cash life. So I got it, I ain't never gonna drop it.
Used to struggle for a dollar. Hot chicks never used to wanna holla. Now we on the grind just to raise the standard. Oh, my nigga, we on that number so hard that we headed to it. A cash life, a cash life, and the grind don't stop now. A cash life, a cash life. Respect the hustle first, Kings, we on the top now. Moolah got me stressing on my work though. With the everything, now I'm like a mad dog. Full of dreams, I can sleep and I cannot. Trying to show the hood that we flyer than the plane got. Now you fellas trying to hate on the art. All they really trying to do is put these tracks on the charts. The cash life got me thinking that I'm part of it. Got a track, so I'ma act like I own half of it. Got the cash life like I'm born on payday. But to make it rain, this no ordinary wet day. Focused on the paper, when I get it, I just pray big. Money talks, I can hear it every damn gig. Woo, you talking money, yours is once upon. You want the cash life like a bird once upon. Got a click, got Kisha causing tantrums. So being funny is a bonus if you handsome. money talks, so we listening. Got red boys and the Yoma's own auditioning. Yeah, on the edges where we living it. Read between the lines, you can see that there's a dividend. Casanova kids, bays, call us lovers, The young shower, I'm just stunning like my father, Got a click, cool, can you like a brother? TRE and T, this how we holler about a dollar. Used to struggle for a dollar. Hot chicks never used to wanna holla. Now we on the grind just to raise the standard. Oh, my nigga, we on that number so hard that we headed to it. A cash life, a cash life, and the grind don't stop now. A cash life, a cash life. Respect the hustle first, Kings, we on the top now.
First Kings, everybody, you can try to live a cash life. Yeah.